I was in my studio looking for inspiration for a new song and thinking about the importance of music production, of being ahead of the curve and not relying on nostalgia. But what do I really mean by that? There's no doubt that nostalgia is a powerful thing. It can evoke strong emotions and bring back fond memories, and when it comes to music, nostalgia can be a great way to connect with fans. After all, everyone has their favorite songs from the past that they love to listen to. The problem with nostalgia is that it can be a trap. If you're a music producer, it's easy to get caught up in trying to recreate the past. You might write songs that sound like your favorite artists from the 60s or 70s, or if you are an established artist, you always follow the same sound that made you famous in the first place. But the truth is, the world has moved on. The music industry constantly evolves, and you'll be left behind if you don't keep up. So, how do you stay ahead of the curve? The best way to stay ahead of the curve is to be creative. Experiment with new sounds and new ideas. Don't be afraid to take risks. And most importantly, don't be afraid to be yourself. The music industry is full of talented people, but what sets the greats apart is their ability to be original. They're not afraid to push the boundaries and create something new. Many artists get stylistic inspiration from the past. See Bruno Mars and Daft Punk. They get inspired always with a dash of modernization and looking forward, never backward, and never resisting experimentation. It's always exciting to see how they take something old and make it new again. So then, get inspired from the past and add new things to make it yours and modern. Here are a few tips for staying ahead of the curve in the music industry. Listen to new music from all over the world. Read music magazines and websites to stay up to date on the latest trends. Attend music festivals and concerts to see new artists perform. Network with other musicians and producers. Don't be afraid to experiment with new sounds and ideas. Be confident in your own abilities. Remember, the music industry is always evolving, so you need to keep up if you want to be successful. So go out there and make some music.